Here's a one owner, low mile car out of Oklahoma. It's a 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Just a little over 12,000 miles on this one is all. Kona blue metallic with the white C stripes, hood accents. Of course, that 5-liter Coyote V8 underneath the hood paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia, chin spoiler, grille. Look at the reflection coming off that paint. Yes, this one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Of course, all your modern equipment, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This one has the Recaro racing seat upgrade in it. I think just shy of $2,000 on the window sticker. Check the still pictures out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the stock Boss wheels, and as you can see, Brembo stock brakes. Take a look down the passenger side. 444 horse, I believe, out of that 302. Underneath the hood, there's your Recaro charcoal black seating surface, I would consider it. Center console, 6-speed manual. The other thing, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a look at the rear fascia. Of course, dual exhaust. You'll be able to see the underside of this car in the still pictures. Wow, is it ever clean underneath there. You can tell it's not been driven in inclement weather. It was a southern car. Again, those still pictures are going to be checked out at UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side. There was just a little spot or two that was touched up. I noticed over here. There's one, let me see it right there, a touch up, and then one just a little bit behind it. So a couple of spots where a little touch up paint was used. As you can see, nothing major. Kind of blends away as the paint color flops. Reflection. There you go. You can see this. Like I said, a couple little spots. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. I'm going to pull up the paper mat so you can see the floor mats here too. Door panels, of course, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Here's the floor mats, as you can see, basically look like new. Those are the Boss 302 floor mats. Seating surface, very little wear, what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. All right, let's go ahead. Now I started that with the standard key. Was dropped off with the standard key. Previous owner will be getting us the red key. There's your exact miles, 12,240. As you can see, the only thing it looks like it needs is a little bit of fuel. Other than that, no engine lights. Service engine soon, warnings, anything like that. All good to go. Take a look at the dash. Rest of the interior of this car, just what you'd expect from a one owner, low mile car with just over 12,000 miles. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood. We'll check out that engine bay. Everything I can see on this car, completely stock. With the exception of the tires. Tires were replaced along the line. Good sounding exhaust. Of course, with the red key, you're going to get a little low or idle, and the other parameters that it'll change when it comes up to temperature. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop this hood. One thing I do want to mention, though, is no license plate. Everything installed on the front fascia. And let me pause this, get the hood open, check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at the underside of that hood. Hood liner. You can tell this car's never been driven in inclement weather. There it is, Coyote 302, 444 horse. Serialization number 736 is the number. It is out of the bosses that were produced in 2012. Look at how nice and clean and tidy that is. Wow. And again, no modifications that I can see. One owner, low mile, clean Carfax, Kona, blue metallic Boss Mustang. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.